Let's bring in Alpesh Patel. I know you'll have lots to say on all of these topics.
So much.
Shall we start with the meltdown, the heat wave that was going on across Europe? I mean, record temperatures right across the place. Record temperatures for Germany, you know, unbelievable temperatures in Paris as well. Here we had the hottest day so far this year. We didn't hit the peak of all time, but still unbelievable. Lots of people asking what is to blame. Lots of people saying climate change. Do you agree?
I'll tell you exactly what's to blame. And I'll tell you something else. Don't let this skin colour fool you. It was painful for us brown people as well. We weren't feeling the protection. Let's look at a good source to tell you where and what might be to blame. NASA. Scientists, well respected, American, despite what their president believes about global warming. And if you go to the NASA website, as I've just done, they'll tell you for the last 800,000 years, because they can measure it in rock formations and so on, carbon dioxide has been at a certain level. Since the 1950s, it has completely skyrocketed. Carbon dioxide is the main component for the cause of global warming, which leads to extreme weather, food problems, deaths, and potentially extinction-level events. It's pretty serious stuff. When it comes from NASA, I'm really prone to believe it, as opposed to, you know, oh God, it's a bit warm today, isn't it? Which is what the rest of us sort of would, on the whole, tend to do. It's a problem which is being ignored by the American government. Guess which are the three largest polluters in the world? America, the EU, and China. China and the EU, signatories to the Paris Agreement to reduce these emissions, are actually doing something about it. America, you really need to listen to your own scientists, for God's sake.
I mean, I know it was words echoed by the Met Office. They conducted a study, I believe, last year that found that here in the UK, you're 30 times more likely to experience heat waves compared to 1970 because of the higher concentration of carbon
My worry is
gas.
It's happening a lot quicker than we're being told it is, and it's a lot worse than we're being told it is, either because it's being mismeasured or because there's a whole bunch of people who've got economic reasons to deny its existence.